All right, hey, somebody let me know exactly why it is 71 degrees in the middle of December and why just last week we were bundled up in layers because it was below 30. This weather don't make no sense, but we ain't gonna complain at all. Y'all know I love the warm weather. I love to get outside whenever I can. So today we got us a single dumbbell workout, full body workout. So hopefully you're ready. Starting off with 30 jumping jacks for our warm up. Let's get it. All right, butt kicks, 20 seconds. All right, jogging in place, jogging in place. Gotta get that heart rate up, guys. Y'all know how it goes. Gotta get nice and warm for the workout. So we're ready to do these movements full out. About 10 more seconds jogging. Then we have high front kicks. All right, we got 10 high front kicks, 5 on each side. Let's go. All right, guys, roll those legs. We got 10, 5 on each side. All right, good stuff. And arm circles, arm circles, arm circles. 20 seconds. All right, swinging our arms just like this. 20 seconds, guys. Y'all know I love the number 20. All right, good stuff, guys. And roll those shoulders. Couple rolls backwards, couple rolls forward. Make sure we're nice and loose. Shake those legs out. Like I said, guys, not gonna be too long or too difficult of a workout today. Only need one single dumbbell. I'll be using a 35 pound. And like I said, guys, I'm trying to target every single muscle group to burn fat and build functional strength. All right, so for the first workout, we're gonna start off with legs. We got split squats. We're gonna do 10 on each side. So in that split stance position, up just like that, guys. We got 10 on both sides. I just almost failed, but just like this, guys. Keep that balance. All right, I'm gonna start on the other side. Right leg out, left leg in, or right leg out, left leg back. We got 10, let's go. All right, let's switch sides. Legs still sore from yesterday. Let's go, we got 10. Good stuff, guys. Shake those legs out. Next thing we got, we're gonna do bicep curl to squat, single dumbbell. So it's gonna be bicep curl, squat, bicep curl, squat. We got 2 sets of 8 of these, guys. 2 sets of 8, counting on each squat. Let's get it. 2 more. Good stuff, guys. 1 more set. Hey, if you ever thought you needed 2 dumbbells, you can get just as an effective workout with just 1 single dumbbell, if not a better one, guys. If not a better one. You do more reps with 1 dumbbell. Definitely, if you don't have a dumbbell at home, or if you're doing this in the gym, invest in 1 dumbbell. You can get in amazing shape with just 1 dumbbell. Definitely doesn't cost too much at all. You can get dumbbells off of OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, less than $10. I paid $15 for this 35-pound dumbbell. It was used. They work just like new, I promise you. So invest in a single dumbbell and get your workout going. Anyway, quick little rant over. Same thing, bicep curl, squat. Let's go. We got 8. Two more. Good stuff, guys. Next thing we got, bicep curl, shoulder press. Just like that, guys. Bicep curl, press that weight up. We got 8 of these as well. 2 sets, guys, 2 sets. Couple more seconds of rest. We'll get right into it, guys. Not gonna be a long workout, so we are keeping the rest breaks as short as possible. If you need longer, pause the video, get yourself together, and get right back to it. All right, let's go. We got 8 bicep curl, shoulder press. Let's get it. Two more. Good stuff, guys. We got 1 more set. 1 more set. Keep it going. And guys, I'm not sure where everybody is from, but if you can get outside, try to get outside. It's nothing like the elements working against you, the warm weather, just the fresh air. Just makes for a better workout, guys. Just try to get outside as much as possible. I'm telling you, it feels amazing. It feels amazing. If it's cold, then hey, bundle up, get your workout in. All right, let's go. We got bicep curl, shoulder press. Let's get it. We got 8. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Next thing we got, it's gonna be a squat, sumo squat. It's a shoulder press, so it's gonna be squatting down, pressing that weight up, kind of activating basically every single muscle group, curling that weight up on that on that shoulder press. So it's gonna be down, press, down, press, and you can use the momentum from your legs to power that weight up and really activate that upper body. Couple more seconds, we're getting right into it. We've got 2 sets of 8. 2 sets of 8. Same thing as before. Adding in a squat, guys. All right, let's get it. 2 sets of 8. Good stuff, guys. I think we can go for 10 on this next set. We can definitely go for 10 on this next set. So let's push for 10. If you need to do less, nothing wrong with that at all. Make it work for you, guys. So that's what I always say, make it work for you. It's your workout. You're the one that knows your body more. So if you're feeling discomfort, feeling exhausted, hey, it's okay. I'm not gonna judge you at all. I'm just proud of you for giving it the effort and take some time to work out with me. Definitely appreciate y'all. Couple more seconds, we're getting into the next set. Squats to shoulder press. So we got a set of 10, last set of 10. get that weight ready. Let's go. Two more, guys, two more. Good job. Hope you're feeling good. Hey, if you haven't already, go and take some time to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Definitely share this video with your friends, family, anybody that needs to get in shape. Tell them to work out with you. I'm telling you, it's nothing like having a partner with you to work out. I'm telling you, it's great. You feed off of each other's energy. For sure. So go on and like the video, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your friends for sure, guys. Greatly appreciated. Deep breathing. All right, guys, so next thing we got, bent over row to bicep curl. Really heavy on these biceps, guys. All right, so basically the way this works, bent over row, throwing that RDL, bicep curl. So again, taking that weight by the sides, curling up, bent over row, curling up. We're gonna do 8. We're gonna start off with 8, guys. All you do is start off with a lower amount of reps and then go up from there on your next sets. That's how you can really read the workout, read your body, and understand what you can and can't do. Always wanna push yourself to your limit. That's how you get stronger, guys. That's how you get stronger. All right, let's go and get that weight ready. Counting on that bicep curl, we got 8. Let's go. It's 2. Good stuff, guys. One more set. We're gonna do 10. We can push for 10, guys. We can push for 10. And we're almost there, guys. Stay with me, stay strong. Got a couple more exercises left and then we're gonna be done. You know, I love to get it in, get it over with. And that's the workout for the day, guys. That's the workout for the day. Quick full body HIIT workout, or full body single dumbbell workout, I should say. We're gonna be done. We're gonna be done. All right, guys, let's get ready for the next set. We're gonna push for 10 this time. Bent over row, RDL with that bicep curl. All right, let's go, let's get it. All right, halfway there, guys. We got 5 more. All right, 2 more, guys. Push through. Good stuff, everybody. All right, we got one last exercise, and then we're gonna be done. We got, what are they called? Tricep overhead extension. So weight behind your head, extending out just like that. We're gonna do 10 of these, guys. 2 sets of 10. 2 sets of 10. Push through, we're almost there. All right, let's go. Let's get that weight up behind your head. Overhead extension, we got 10. Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna go for 12. Oh, almost dropped the weight. We're gonna go for 12 on this last set. Push through. Y'all got this. Y'all got this. Last exercise, guys, and then we're done. All right, guys. A couple more seconds. We're getting to the last set. We got 12. Let's get it. That weight up. Let's go. Good stuff, guys. Just like that, we are done. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Like I say, guys, one single dumbbell is all you need. Definitely doesn't take a lot at all. Your body doesn't know the difference between 1 or 2 dumbbells. It just knows resistance, and I need to get stronger in order to compensate for this weight. Anyways, guys, if you haven't already, go and hit that like button. Definitely subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of workouts coming out, guys. We're pushing to have a workout every single day. Something under 30 minutes, nothing too crazy. And that's another thing, guys. You don't need hours in the gym or hours working out to make a difference in your health and wellness journey or your body at all. So keep pushing, stay consistent, and y'all got this. All right, I appreciate y'all. We'll catch y'all on the next one.